So I've got a brand new Trek Domane AL3 from Evans Cycles. Great bike, but when you're riding it on rough terrain, it does this. So this cable rattles around inside the frame. So the fix for this is, first of all, undo this screw so you can move this cable out of the way a little bit. Get yourself some Nerf bullets, chop the ends off and then slice them, and then all you do is push them on that cable, tape the ends up with some insulation tape and then just gently squeeze it under there. Put about 6 of them in. No more rattles, hopefully. So I've now installed about 8, and you know, that's a lot quieter. Now, you could do it for the other cables, but I'm not sure whether you need to. I think it was just this one, but I guess going out on a ride will probably tell you if you need to do any more. So don't forget to put this screw back in and pull this cable and outer into its right position. And that's it, sorted for about £1. You can buy special stuff to do it, but what's the point if you've got a child with Nerf bullets?